Hi, myself, Elvin Thomas. I'm a fifth year law student from Rizvi Law College. In my last summer, I did 2, 3 internships in Kerala. Not major ones, a month or two internships. And I'm currently also working with Decathlon Sports India as a part-time sports player. During my previous internship, I was given the job description of visiting various courts, conducting legal research, but my keen interest was learning the skill of drafting, which I was quite keen in learning that skill, but I didn't receive that opportunity. And due to this pandemic, I believe it has given me a unprecedented opportunity. So I believe drafting is the basic course. So after a bit of research work and attending few webinars of LowSeco, I found the syllabus and the content of this course to be quite interesting, because if for me it was new, but it was something like I wanted to learn at first. So that's how I approached this course, and that's why I took up this course. So initially, no, the course was for a period of 1 month. It began with drafting appeals, revisions, and then went to bail applications, and then leave and license agreements. So all those agreements, the sessions were roughly held for 1 hour, for an hour, sometimes more than an hour. But the contents were quite comprehensive that it wasn't able to manage in a month. So we had to extend a bit, but those contents were actually good. The sessions were quite good, thankfully to the two mentors which we had, Miss Ruchika Motwani and Nimisha ma'am. So they both could relate those contents with the real life examples. After every sessions, we were actually given an assignment. So in that assignments, we would submit the assignment from what we have learned. We used to, like, we would receive 40% and 60% we had to do the work. So from that 60% they would give feedback, or that feedback was helpful. And whatever doubts we had through that assignments, and regarding the content or assignments, anything on health, I used to clear it with Nimisha ma'am, basically. Even the silliest doubts which I had, I was quite frank, and I was happy that I approach her with my doubts, and she would just clear it for me. They both were two experienced ones. So with LowSeco is quite good. I honestly, the 1 month it went quite fast. I was able to learn at least minimum of at least 8 different styles of drafting, from appeals to leave and license employment agreement. So at least I was able to get basic idea or outline of how the contract, how the drafts petitions were. We were also given an article on we were also given an assignment on article writing that also helped me, gave me an introduction to how to research and write articles. I would recommend this course to any law student who's who's stuck at not finding, who's stuck and who's not able to learn the drafting course through their internship, or whoever is not a law student, they could also join up this course.